How to add a product to a collection in Shopify, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a product to a collection in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you will get to your admin. Now you have to navigate to products right here. Inside your products, it'll show you your product list, all the products that you have. Here we can select the products to add to a collection. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and the second one. We have two products. Now you're going to click on more actions. Scroll down a little bit and you will find add to collection. Click on add to collection and it will show you the collections that you have created on your store. For me, I have three collections: holiday special, homepage, and shirts. So I'm going to go ahead and select the first collection. Now you can see you are about to add two products to a collection. Click on save and these two products will be added to a collection. Similarly, I can select this one, click on more actions again, click on add to collection and add this one to the shirts. Click on save and product will be added to a collection on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.